Imagine a war where the battlefield is digital, algorithms disabling power grids, cyber attacks paralyzing financial systems, and chaos unleashed without a single shot. This is the new reality of national security. Today, a nation's strength is measured by the resilience of its digital infrastructure and the intelligence of its algorithms, not just its military might. The new domains of conflict are invisible, fought in server farms and across the internet. For India, with its vast population and complex neighborhood, leading this digital transformation is not optional, it's essential. We must build our own sovereign capabilities, treating technology as a strategic asset for national empowerment. The concept of a digital strike force emerges, not a military unit, but a nationwide strategy to protect and project India's strength in the digital age. This is a quiet revolution, connecting and securing a billion aspirations through a digital backbone. India's digital strike force is our answer to the challenges of the new century, a testament to our ambition and ingenuity. India's digital strike force stands on four powerful pillars. First, artificial intelligence, the brain that powers everything from military strategy to agriculture. Second, digital sovereignty, robust cybersecurity and control over our data, building digital fortresses to protect our interests. Third, transforming governance, embedding technology to make public services efficient, transparent, and accessible. Fourth, digital payments, UPI, the circulatory system of our economy, enabling seamless transactions for all. These pillars work together, forming a cohesive strategy for a secure and empowered nation. AI multiplies our capabilities, cybersecurity shields our assets, digital governance delivers services, and UPI fuels economic growth. This is not just modernization, it's a revolution in how India operates and competes globally. Together, these four wheels drive India's digital chariot into the future. On India's borders, AI-powered surveillance systems and drones are the new sentinels. Tireless, precise, and ever watchful. These technologies detect threats in real time, giving our soldiers superhuman eyes and ears. Drone swarms, already demonstrated by the Indian Army, can overwhelm defenses, strike targets, or deliver supplies, transforming battlefield tactics. The Navy uses AI to monitor the vast Indian Ocean, detecting threats from pirates to submarines with unprecedented accuracy. AI-driven command networks integrate data from soldiers, drones, and satellites, providing commanders with a unified, intelligent view of the battlefield. This network-centric warfare gives India a decisive edge. Faster decisions, smarter strategies, and superior intelligence. We're not just upgrading weapons, we're upgrading the very way we defend our nation. India's military modernization is about building a force that's agile, intelligent, and future-ready. The wars of tomorrow will be won by those who master digital power, and India is ready. India is building a digital fortress, multi-layered, vigilant, and resilient. National firewalls and intrusion detection systems guard our cyberspace, blocking threats at lightning speed. CERT-IN, our elite cybersecurity agency, coordinates rapid responses to digital attacks, keeping our networks safe. We're pioneering data embassies, secure backups in friendly nations to ensure continuity even in crisis. By diversifying submarine cable routes, India is becoming a regional internet hub, reducing dependence and boosting resilience. We're not just protecting data, we're securing the very infrastructure that powers our digital nation. This robust ecosystem ensures our sovereignty in the digital age. India's digital borders are now as strong as its physical ones. AI is transforming Indian governance from slow bureaucracy to intelligent, anticipatory service. Civil servants are being trained in AI, enabling smarter policymaking and resource allocation. In the judiciary, AI tools like Suvers translate judgments and assist judges, speeding up justice for millions. Initiatives like India Stack connect digital identity payments and data, making government services seamless and transparent. AI enables targeted welfare, predicts disease outbreaks, and customizes education governance at a granular level. The result: less paperwork, less corruption, and more effective delivery for over 1 billion people. This is not just faster government, it's smarter, more empathetic governance. India is building a state that truly serves its people. UPI is India's digital payments revolution, a public platform powering billions of transactions every month. It's open, interoperable, and accessible to everyone, from street vendors to corporations. UPI has brought millions into the formal economy, giving them a digital identity and access to financial services. Its open protocols foster innovation, creating a vibrant ecosystem of competing apps and services. India is now exporting UPI to countries worldwide, reversing the usual flow of technology. During crises like COVID-19, UPI enabled instant, direct aid to millions, strengthening economic resilience. Even the defense sector leverages UPI for transparent procurement and payments. UPI is more than convenience. It's a strategic asset for national growth and sovereignty. India's economic artery is digital, inclusive, and world-leading. The true power of India's digital strikeforce lies in integration. AI, secure internet, governance, and payments working in harmony. Secure data infrastructure underpins AI for defense and governance, while digital payments enable direct, efficient welfare delivery. This convergence eliminates middlemen, plugs leakages, and ensures benefits reach every citizen. Domestic innovation in AI and electronics, driven by strategic needs, strengthens our industrial base and creates jobs. The digital strikeforce is both a defense and economic strategy, weaving a resilient digital fabric across the nation. Each pillar amplifies the others, creating a system greater than the sum of its parts. This unified approach sets India apart on the global stage. It's a symphony of systems, propelling India into a secure and prosperous future. While the world debates technology's future, India is building it, at scale for everyone. We've moved from endless discussions to action. Jan Dhan for financial inclusion, Aadhaar for digital identity, UPI for real-time payments. Our model is simple. Identify a problem, build a public digital platform, and open it for innovation. This action-oriented approach gives India unique soft power, inspiring the global south with an open, inclusive model. Digital public infrastructure like UPI and Aadhaar is a blueprint for sovereign digital development worldwide. We're proving rapid digital transformation is possible in a democracy, empowering every citizen. India is moving from a nation of a billion problems to a nation of a billion solutions. The digital strikeforce is the symbol of a confident, innovative India shaping its own destiny. The future isn't something we await, it's something we're building, one empowered citizen at a time.